Well, it's just me. I know it's a little echoey. I'm still in my room. I found out that Gordon Ramsay has a restaurant here. So I'm meeting up with one of my coworkers, and we're headed over there to check a look and see how good it is. If you are new here, hello, hi, and welcome. We are Echo Travel Adventures. We have recently moved back to Omaha, Nebraska. So we're going to do a lot more vlogs, doing other things. But right now, because I'm here in Florida, I'm still doing Florida things. So yay for me. Amber's back in Nebraska. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like or comment. We are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can go live on events like this. That way you can be a part of it. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so we got the fish and chips. I do got a chicken in there somewhere. Can't wait to try it. And then my buddy over here, of course, got a beer, and then got fish and some shrimp. There it is. Maybe. I don't know, looks pretty good. Authentic British fish and chips. We don't like filming our dirty plates, but this food is actually pretty good. It actually is real cod. The chicken was actually pre-seasoned already, but it was really good. He liked his shrimp. He said the shrimp was better than the fish itself, but I didn't have any of the tartar sauce or anything, but it was really good. I wouldn't drive all the way out here, but if you're at Universal or something, you can definitely come over here and partake. It's right over here next to everything. Over here by Orlando Icon Park. Well, I just got back. There's a lot more people, and he had to get. We had to kind of get back over here on this side of town. We were about an hour and a half away. Restaurant was actually smaller than I had pictured. I pictured something like Hell's Kitchen, or like other restaurants that he has other places. It is just a small little kind of like what we would call quick service, like you'd have at Disney or at Universal. The fish and chips were a little on the bland side. I had to add a little bit of salt to it. Otherwise, it was actually pretty good. I've never had authentic fish and chips. I've had some sort of fish and chips, Americanized. I've had the fish and chips over at EPCOT, but it wasn't bad. The chicken was actually pre-seasoned. The only thing I would say is if you are on that side of town, if you're on this side of town where Disney is, I wouldn't rush over there. That would be my only negative or takeaway, if you want to call it a negative or takeaway. If you're on that side of town, definitely stop by, take a gander. It's right there at the Orlando Eye, where you can go on the Ferris wheel and all that kind of stuff. It wasn't an unreasonable price. My food, I got the fish combo, which is $14.99. I got the chicken because I wanted to try the chicken, and I got a drink, all for 23 bucks. Otherwise, but it wasn't bad. So if you are new here, if you made this far, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. Let me know if you've ever had anything with Gordon Ramsay. That'd be kind of cool. Start a discussion there. Otherwise, guys, we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.